Yeah, I am listening to myself. I'm laying on the floor in the airport on my stomach in handcuffs, and I'm asking why am I being handcuffed behind 10 security officers with armed weapons? Why? Really? Really? Ask myself why? Why? Why am I being handcuffed? Hello? Hello? Why am I being handcuffed? Why am I being handcuffed?
On May 10, 2025, an incident in Florida raised layered questions of federal and state law.
Good evening. What's going on tonight? How can I help you?
They're saying she can't fly.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want proof to why she can't fly.
Well, hold on a second.
I'm getting...
If they're a private business, if they say you can't fly for any reason, then you can't fly.
Okay. So I had lower abdominal
Okay.
discomfort.
Understand?
And
But they're a private. You understand? It's not a public service. This is a private group.
What's that? I'm sorry, I'm hard of hearing.
my husband can't hear. He's
If they don't want you to fly, you can't fly.
Okay, but
Let me check out. Let me check out here. Is it just today, or is it?
It's just today. It's due
Okay.
to the fact that when they came, they
Oh, here in the front counter. Yes.
Okay.
he has
Yeah.
nauseous, vomiting, all that type of stuff. I called Medley. Medley said that she has to go to the hospital and get a clearance there in order to fly again.
Okay. Perfect. Not like we've done this before, right? Okay. Okay. Did you understand what they're telling you?
no.
Hold on.
Baby,
Okay.
baby, please.
So they're saying since you have discomfort and don't feel well, that you need to see a doctor, go to the emergency room and get a clearance that you're okay to fly.
But
They're
you
willing to rebook
you
you.
understand.
Hold on. Let me finish. I'm almost done.
Yes.
They're willing to rebook you tomorrow if you feel better.
No. That's unacceptable.
Stop.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Stop.
Don't fight with
Here.
me. Don't
Here.
fight with me.
Please.
I'm telling you
Can
how it's
I-
going
Put
to
your
be.
finger
That's
at
it.
me.
I'll do what I have to do because you're drunk and you're not listening.
So what?
So what? You're going to
Stop.
get trespassed.
For what?
Please, sir. My
Tango
father
55,
is
can you get Lance
Chicago
right over here?
police.
Hospital
My
69.
father.
69.
Stop. I want you to
We're
go
not playing.
over there. My father is Chicago police. I have
That's
no more
great.
than respect
That's
for
great,
you.
but we're trying to deal with this right now.
Yes, and
Okay. You're not flying
I
tonight.
am simply telling you that I respect you. Okay, and that my husband
Okay.
is.
All that is great, fine and dandy, but you have to get a medical clearance if you want to fly tonight. Tomorrow, they're willing to rebook you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So,
Okay.
Okay.
I accept. Okay.
well, you have to. Okay.
Great.
Okay.
So
you get
work something about with them about rebooking a flight.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm a patient, and I was not feeling well. And
You didn't tell me that at the beginning. You just said you weren't feeling well.
yes, I
Okay.
have.
Okay.
So
But if you're not feeling well, you can't fly. Do you get that?
okay.
Okay. So you're gonna have to make other arrangements tonight to go somewhere,
Okay.
or
Okay.
okay.
All right. Yes,
If we
sir.
come back, you're gonna be trespassed. If we come back
All
a
right.
third time, somebody's going to jail.
I don't want him to go
I
to
don't
jail.
either. I don't want anybody to go to jail. So,
Do you
so
have
do you have a place?
No, we don't have a place
Okay.
tonight.
There's some hotels. There's one here at the airport.
Okay, we'll get one tonight.
Okay.
Please let me deal with him.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. I'll calm him down. I
And if you want, you
promise.
can go down the elevator to the first floor. Outside to the far left, there are shuttles that'll take you to hotels close by.
All right.
Okay.
I'll calm him down.
So first
I
floor,
promise. Please
all the way to
don't
the left.
arrest him.
Okay.
Steve-O, we're going to go together and go and...
Excuse me. Before you make hotel arrangements,
This is an embarrassment.
Shut up. Look, you're stopping. You're stopping and leave these men alone. All right?
hey ma'am, can I talk to you over here?
Yes.
Before you make other hotel accommodations, you have to go to the hospital. We have to check you out and make sure that you're fit to fly. Otherwise, you're going to show up here tomorrow, and if you don't have that clearance letter, you're going to run into the same situation again. You'll have to have that clearance letter in order to fly tomorrow. So, you can, if you don't want to have the medics take you to the hospital, you can make arrangements to go there on your own, or I can have them come and pick you up and take you there. Which would you prefer?
Do we want our?
It just depends on what they have to check you out and determining based on what they find, and they'll make a decision on if to keep you there or if to let you go.
What do you recommend?
I mean, I'm not a medical professional. That's up to them. They have to check you out, and then they'll make a decision on if they're going to let you go.
They deny you boarding?
Hurry, yeah. You got check. You got medically cleared. You got medically cleared. You can go. And
Well-
this guy, the dreadlocks, that guy said no.
Well, they're coming back now. To look at it.
They're gonna check her out. I had to step out. But I'm getting.
Since they're coming, do you want them to look at you as well? Just
I'm
you're sick-
hard of hearing.
Since they're already coming, do you want them to look at you as well?
For
or
what?
not? For anything.
Oh, I'm fine.
Okay.
They've been here already.
Oh, they have.
Yeah, they cleared me already. They cleared me, sir.
Gotta get a piece of paper from a hospital or a doctor. Urgent care. There's one North Cimarron behind the Wawa on Lee Vista.
We're gonna go to the hotel.
See? How can I?
We're gonna go to a hotel,
I gotta
and
go to work, honey.
you're gonna have to take the day off.
Why?
Stop. Leave the
I'm not able to
officers.
fly, and they have to.
Look, leave the officers
I want an explanation.
alone.
Well, we wouldn't know. That's
Stop.
between you
I
and
want
the
to know
airlines.
why.
Stop. I want you to leave the officers alone because they deserve our respect. Let's go. Okay?
They have my luggage. What about my luggage? I want my luggage.
No, shut
No,
up.
they'll get the bags for you.
Yeah, they will. And we're gonna go to the
I want to.
second floor.
How do I get an explanation to why I can't travel?
Stop. Leave them alone.
No. Back up. Just back up.
Okay.
Will their luggage be down on the second floor?
I have to
We're
have
going
the back
to
room
the
pull it,
second
but
floor.
I'll be down there in a sec. Give me like 5 minutes, and I'll
Okay.
be down there in 5 minutes.
Okay. He's gonna put in an order to get your luggage, and it'll be downstairs on level 2.
I want an explanation to why I can't travel.
These
I've
are
told you. I've
officers.
told you more than once. You're drunk, and
Yeah.
you're not listening or understanding
I'm
what
not
I've been
listening
telling
to
you.
you. You are not.
Exactly.
You
You're not.
are gonna stop. You are gonna
I'm-
stop. You are gonna stop.
So I would go downstairs to the second floor,
I want.
wait for your luggage.
All right. Thank you, officers. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Steve, now.
You.
Thank you so much.
So what was the original reason that they said no?
Because she said she was hurting, had a lot of pain, didn't feel good. I think she had a little too much to drink.
She told that to the people at the gate or these people?
Probably Arf was here just before us.
police officer.
No. Can I talk to you for a second? I'll talk to you.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Look, let's talk over here.
I didn't do anything wrong. I'm an American citizen. I didn't do anything wrong.
So, here, stand back for me just a second. I'm not going to arrest you, okay? I just wanted to talk to you for a second.
I just want to go home.
So, who is she to you?
She's my wife.
That's your wife?
Yes.
Okay. So,
I just want to get on a plane and go home.
Yeah, man, but we explained to you several times, but you have to listen to the other officer first before you can even come to that decision. They don't want your wife flying for whatever reason, whatever medical reason she has already.
I need an explanation.
That is the explanation. They can refuse.
Know why.
They can refuse.
go with them over there.
He's a police officer.
I need to know the reason why. She was cleared.
There's no piece of
The paramedics came. The paramedics came and they cleared her.
You have her license?
The paramedics
Do
came.
you have her license? Her license.
I need check. The paramedics came and cleared her. They said she's okay to travel.
That's not a,
Okay, that doesn't matter anymore.
Yeah, we're not talking about
We are
this.
past that. Now, all we're asking you right now is if you have her ID.
Does she have any form of ID anywhere?
Let me check.
Thank you.
2 Americans being harassed.
Not being harassed.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I can't aboard a plane. Yes, I am, sir.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is. Why can't I board a plane?
If you're intoxicated.
You're not guaranteed.
I'm not intoxicated. Want to take my blood alcohol level?
Guess you're going to be a 10-15.
I guess that's what we got for that, because she's the one that hit him.
You want to take a BAC?
It's up to you guys.
Yeah.
Come on.
Are we doing both for 69? I'll talk about it.
Yeah, I'm sure they're gonna want to. So he gave us the passports. Do you have a license as well, or just the passport?
Yeah, I have a license.
Yeah. Can you check if it's in there?
I need you right
now.
here and stay
I
right
want
there.
to call my lawyer right now.
You call your lawyer.
Call my lawyer. Right now. Right now. She's being retained?
You are not being detained.
She is.
She is.
I want to call her attorney right now.
Coming over here. So step
Call her attorney right now.
Step back.
I want legal counsel right now. As an American citizen, she wants counsel right now.
All right, I just watched her slap you across the face.
What?
I just watched her slap you
I don't
across
care.
the face.
I don't care what you swear.
Where are you from? Are you from
Where
Florida?
are you from?
Are you from Florida?
Where are you from?
Okay, so in the
I'm
state
from
of
the United
Florida.
States of America.
Okay, in the state
Where
of
are you
Florida,
from?
if we see someone batter another
If you
person
see-
in the relationship,
I'm
if
not
they're in a
present-
domestic setting,
Whatever. She wants
the
legal
point is your
counsel
wife's being detained right now.
right now. Let her go. I want to speak to my wife.
Bro.
Back. Stop.
I can't speak to my wife.
No.
Why
Step
not?
back.
Why not?
Because I said so. That's why.
Who are you?
Step back.
You don't own me. It's
need
a
to
free
relax.
country. I want to speak to my
You
wife.
need to relax.
I want my wife
You're about to
now.
be
She
put
wants
in
legal
cuffs.
counsel.
You're
What?
about to be put in cuffs. So
For what?
Back up.
For what?
For interfering. So
Interfering
back up.
with what?
Back up.
What is she interfering with?
No,
What is she under arrest for? What does she have done wrong?
You need to calm down or you're going to go in cuffs. Relax. I'm half your age.
Are you on my side?
Start acting your age.
I am. And this is my wife, and you have her retained by a bunch of security officers and a bench.
we're not security
My
officers,
wife.
sir. We're the police.
In the American states of America.
What did I
and
just
you're
tell
telling me to calm down.
What did I just tell you 2 minutes ago?
This is my
I just
wife.
watched her
Let
slap
her
you
go
across the face.
now. If this was your wife, would you let her sit there and be questioned by these officers?
He smacked me. No. Walk over here.
Really?
Stay over here.
This is my wife.
Listen, man. Relax, okay? Relax.
Who the f are you?
Dude, relax. Or you're gonna get put down on the
Let
ground.
go of my wife.
You're gonna be put on the ground, so relax.
Relax for what?
Relax. Put your hands behind your back.
Let my wife go.
Don't resist. Relax. Stop. Resisting.
Easy, bro.
For what?
Easy. Just take your
What
backpack
did I
off.
do?
You're taking your backpack off.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Somebody grab his legs. Somebody grab his legs. Yep.
Stop resisting!
Yeah. Get this hand behind your back. Try to work on this arm. Yeah, grab this right arm. We got this arm. Get your other hand. Give us your right arm, sir. Stop with
It's
this.
here. You're on top of it.
Roll him a little bit. Put your knee in.
Bro.
Remember, push the elbow up. Push the elbow up. Push the elbow up.
Give us your other hand, sir. Don't make it difficult. Loosen up. Loosen up. Give us your other arm. Then give it.
Got it.
There you go. Alright, we're gonna get you up, so slowly and listen to us, okay?
Why don't we leave him here and just wait till we get a car? And then
Can you let
Got a
these
car
off?
yet?
Are you serious?
Anyone on this side or no?
Are you serious?
Where's your car?
Nazis or what?
Where's your car?
What the?
Here.
What the did I do?
I know. This one closer. Use this one.
Are you
Level 3. Right here, I think number 20.
What the? How is my wife?
That is his bag.
she's fine.
How do I know?
Does he have any boarding pass?
Well, you got my backpack.
I know, but does he have one?
They won't let me in the flight. They won't let my wife on the flight.
Do you?
What the?
Do you have a boarding pass?
Yes, I do.
Where is it?
It's in my pocket.
In your
Unless
pocket?
these hoes took it.
Why are you yelling at me?
Why? Really? I'm in handcuffs and behind my back. What the f*** am I?
We are getting the
He's
boarding
touching my.
pass.
Yes, he is.
Where's your boarding pass?
Really? You gonna take my cash too?
No, boarding
Really?
pass.
You gonna take my $2
Where
grand?
is your boarding pass?
Why don't you let me off my handcuffs and I'll be happy to tell you. What the f***?
You say in the pocket, this pocket or his rear pocket?
Crooks? Ow! What am I being handcuffed?
Hey, ma'am, is your boarding passes in your purse?
I just want you to know, he doesn't even drink. This is what his...
Listening to yourself.
Yeah, I am listening to myself. I'm laying on the floor in the airport on my stomach in handcuffs, and I'm asking why am I being handcuffed behind 10 security officers with armed weapons? Why? Really? Really? Ask myself why? Why? Why am I being handcuffed? Hello? Hello? Why am I being handcuffed? Why am I being handcuffed? What are you doing? Let these handcuffs off of me now! Where is my wife? What are you doing to my wife? Get these handcuffs on. What crime did I do? What intentions you have? Who the f are you? Get these off now! You get these off! Get these handcuffs off! Stand up. Yeah. Where's my belongings? To the right. No boarding pass on this side.
Yeah, I couldn't find any boarding pass in there.
Okay.
We need to go by Spirit and get his copy of that boarding pass,
Yeah.
right? Because you remember they're giving us a hard time.
Yeah. Vo, do you have his ID? Can we have his ID?
We haven't counted his money yet.
Okay.
Do you need us to do anything about his statement from anybody?
Well, I don't have a laptop. There's none in the Landsat office.
I can lend you mine real quick.
Yeah.
It's not even mine. You can take it. I think you need the giraffe if it's not going to be yours.
What am I
So
being
I'm not
arrested
sure.
for? What am I being
Yeah, I think I'm.
I'm not.
Yeah, but all that custom and stuff.
It's going to be a west route.
I'm just saying.
South
It's
of
Hey,
18
listen,
left,
I'll say her.
18 right.
because your hands are all twisted. Can you try to twist them back?
I didn't do anything wrong.
Try to twist them back.
What is it we're going to
Stick your watch on.
I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm taking
All I did
your.
was complain.
Look, your watch is going to go in your bag. Okay.
I'll be 808.
I can turn my wife.
Have a seat.
Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
All right, watch your legs, all right?
Change the unit to you primary.
This May 10, 2025 analysis examines statutes, Supreme Court precedent, and Florida arrest doctrine. Under 49 U.S.C. 9.2, air carriers may refuse a passenger deemed inimical to safety. Courts review such refusals under an arbitrary and capricious standard, not de novo. The carrier is not required to produce evidentiary proof to justify a fitness to fly determination. The Fourth Amendment governs any seizure of the person, from a Terry stop to full custodial arrest. Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 1, 1968 authorizes a brief investigatory detention on reasonable suspicion. Probable cause is the higher standard triggering full arrest per Beck v. Ohio 379 U.S. 89, 1964. Seizure turns on the Mendenhall test. Would a reasonable person feel free to terminate the encounter? The Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination attaches during custodial interrogation. Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 1966 requires warnings before custodial questioning, not at arrest. Once counsel is invoked, all questioning must cease under Edwards v. Arizona 451 U.S. 477, 1981. The First Amendment protects verbal challenge and criticism directed at police officers. City of Houston v. Hill 480-51, 1987 shields even loud, profane speech from criminalization. Courts distinguish speech which is protected from conduct which is not. Florida Statute 47803 defines battery as intentional touching or striking against another's will. A slap qualifies as an intentional touching sufficient for the actus reus of battery. Between cohabiting spouses, 741.28 elevates the offense to domestic battery. Florida Graph 741.294b establishes arrest as the preferred response on probable cause of domestic battery. The statute expressly removes any requirement for victim consent to prosecute. If the officer declines to arrest, 7129 requires a written report explaining that decision. Florida Graph 843 Re2 criminalizes obstructing an officer engaged in lawful execution of duty without violence. The offense requires the officer to be acting within a lawful duty at the moment of the obstruction. HAP v. State clarifies that unlawful officer conduct forecloses a Cloughan 843-2 conviction. Florida 810.9 governs trespass. A formal warning is a predicate to prosecution in unposted space. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, sets the objective reasonableness standard for use of force. Reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment, not with hindsight. Graham identifies 3 factors: offense severity, immediate threat, and active resistance. Hard empty hand control is generally justified for active resistance to a lawful arrest. Post-arrest inventory searches are permitted under South Dakota v. Opperman, 428 U.S. 376. Inventory purposes are property protection, department indemnity, and officer safety. Florida Graph 856.511 requires intoxication plus endangerment or disturbance for disorderly intoxication. Mere public intoxication is not a Florida criminal offense standing alone. Civil remedies for constitutional violations arise under 42 U.S.C. Croft 1983 in federal court. Qualified immunity shields officers unless they violate clearly established law. The grading framework is now applied to this analysis. The primary contact officer receives a B for procedurally correct at de-escalation and statutory accuracy. He accurately conveyed 404902 authority and coordinated paramedic response before escalation. The arresting officer receives a C+. The domestic battery arrest was legally required under 741.29. However, tempo and lack of on-camera arrest advisement narrowed procedural margins. The female subject receives a D+. Her right to counsel invocation was legally sound, but an observed slap converted a civil grievance into a criminal offense under Par 784.03. The male subject receives a D. His verbal criticism was protected under City of Houston v. Hill. His refusal of lawful step-back commands, however, satisfied the elements of 4302. Key legal lessons emerge from this analysis. First, air carriers hold broad statutory discretion. Passengers cannot demand documentary proof under 404902. Second, invoking counsel halts custodial interrogation but not a lawful investigatory field detention. Third, protected speech does not immunize physical noncompliance with lawful commands. Fourth, Florida's mandatory arrest posture contracts officer discretion upon observed domestic battery. Fifth, the proper remedy for perceived overreach is post-release counsel, not real-time resistance. Sixth, Miranda warnings attach on custodial interrogation, not automatically at the moment of arrest. Understanding these frameworks helps both officers and citizens navigate high-stress encounters lawfully. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam.